Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable PartnerStack for SaaS affiliate programs step by step clearly. To start, log in to your PartnerStack account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Programs tab on the left-hand menu. Click on Programs to view a list of existing programs. Select the Create Program button at the top right corner. Choose the SaaS option from the program types available. Fill in the required details, such as program name and description. Set the commission structure that aligns with your business goals. Decide whether to offer a one-time payment or recurring commissions. Upload any promotional materials you want affiliates to access. Define the application settings for new affiliates. Specify any eligibility requirements for joining the program. Adjust the branding settings to reflect your company's identity. Review all entries for accuracy before progressing. Once confirmed, click the Create Program button at the bottom. Your program is now created but not yet active. To activate it, find your new program on the list. Click the Activate button next to your program name. Once activated, affiliates will be able to join. Notify potential affiliates about your new program launch. Monitor affiliate activity from the dashboard as they start promoting. Regularly update promotional materials to support your affiliates. Engage with your affiliates through the PartnerStack communication tools. Analyze performance metrics to optimize your program over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.